Machine learning is an important idea of artificial intelligence. Embedded machine learning is a typical type of machine learning. It is also a typical function for Nous. In this class, students need to learn to create a speech model, collect speech data, train the model, deploy the trained model to Nous Robot, and finally write a program to turn Nous Robot into an obedient robot pet. There are 2 microphones in the Nous Hub, which means Nous Robot can hear. In this lesson, we are going to create a speech model which includes all the command wake-up words to your Nous pet. Then, we will use the created model to program and turn Nous Robot into an obedient robot pet. In this part, students become familiar with the 4 steps of tiny ML model creations, data acquisition, model deployment, and programming. Go to the TinyML model option for AI, select a voice model, and enter a name. And you will see the model you just created in My Model below. First, distinguish the commands wake up words for the Nous pet. Step 2. Before acquire the data, make sure the Nous Robot is connecting to the coding platform. Step 3. Change class 1 to high nose and check the setting. The delay refers to the delay of several seconds to start collecting data after pressing the acquire button. The duration refers to the duration of acquire 1 sample. Usually, we need to repeat the command's wake-up words for several times in the duration. Step 4. Press the acquire button to acquire the data samples. There are several tips. 1. In the duration, acquiring 1 data sample. You need to repeat the command wake-up word repeatedly. 2. Data diversity. The more diverse the data, the better the model. Thus, we can acquire speech data of different speaking speeds, timbres, or accents. 3. Please collect at least 4 audio data samples for each class. Step 5. I have 4 more classes, including go forward, go backward, spin, and nothing. Remember, nothing means the background noise, so we just need to press the acquire button and acquire the background noise. Step 6. Please the next step button and go to training and deployment. Press start train to train the model. Pay attention to the train cycle. The default train cycle is 50. After finishing training the model, please read the report. In this case, the report shows that the trained model is pretty good. We should also read the logout. Usually, the accuracy from Epoch 1 to Epoch 50 is getting closer to 1. If the accuracy in the report and the logout are not very good, you can either acquire more data samples, simply retrain the model, or change the train cycle to retrain the model. Press the deployment button and go to the programming page. Use an event module, then display start on the main control of Nous to prompt everyone to predict that it is about to start. Say, a command to the robot. Wait for 0.1 seconds, and then they'll load the Nous Pet voice model and recognize it. Then display stop on the master of Nous to indicate the end of voice recognition, and display the result of voice recognition on the screen. Finally, the speech recognition function is implemented multiple times by using circular commands, and waiting for 1 second before starting each time can prevent the program from stuttering.
Hi, Nous. Go forward. Go backward. Sing.
In order to make Nous move, let's get to know the motion command of Nous. The first command controls the speed and distance at which Nous moves forward or backward. The second command controls the direction, speed, and angle of the Nous turn. Set and modify the command to make Nous advance 10 cm at 30% speed. Go back 10 cm at 30% speed and rotate once at 30% speed. Now we need to judge the result of speech recognition and make Nous react differently according to different commands. Using conditional statements, if the recognition result is high Nous, then Nous will bark. If the recognition result is go for word, then Nous will advance for a while and then stop. If the recognition result is go backward, then Nous will rewind for a while and then stop. If the recognition result is spin, then Nous will make a turn. If the recognition result is a Nous, then Nous makes a heartbeat sound. When running the program, when we see start appearing on the screen, we start to repeat one command, such as go forward, go forward. When we see stop appear on the screen, we stop saying the commands to observe Nous Robot's actions.
Go backward. Spin.
In this part, students create their own commands for their Nous pets and try to create their own speech model and use the created model to program their Nous pets. In this part, students demonstrate their Nous pets